know you're in there. I saw you. And your little friend ran away already, thank God, over the top of my truck and not in my truck. There you are. Come on. I know, you look cute, but, you know, look what you did to my stuff. My Clay Aiken collectibles. I'm pissed. Really. You know, look at my Elvis Life. Joyful Noise, Clay at Christmas. My Bruce Rolling Stone. And my Clay TV Guides. Clay TV Guides. I'm sorry, I am a Clay fan, I admit it. I was an original Claymate. And, I don't know, these beautiful things could be saved and washed. Everything else in here is junk. Come on, little mice. Come on. Come on. How many of you are in there? Time to come out. These are the only things I can salvage because they can be disinfected. What the frig is in here? What the hell is... I don't even know. Little Rascals? Oh great, my Little Rascals. It's amazing how a Tupperware, but the Tupperware, all my Tupperwares were great. But this Tupperware, oh God, what beautiful thing. What's this? Someone gave that to my mom for Christmas. Oh, I guess it's saved in this box. Inside of the box. Elvis. Disgusting. Look at this stuff. This was my mom's. Oh, no, I don't know. Someone give it to me. Why would I have it if it was my mom's? It would be in her house. This could be decent. Jesus Christ. Come on, little mice. I know you're in there. Look at this shit. I guess normal people would just throw all this shit out. I know. Well, that's two. I don't know if there's more. I think so, because the other one went that way. Well, that's garbage. You know, mice, they're kind of cute to look at, but... what the frig was that? Looks like some... This is all garbage. This was my Little Rascals. I can't believe this container was on the bottom and it wound up getting pinched. So there was a little pinch and then they got in. Here. Disgusting. It wound up pinched and then they got in. Because all my other containers are good. What was this? V8. Oh, alright, this is all garbage. This is all garbage. Okay. That's it. These can be cleaned. That's it. I can't. I'm very upset about... I mean, I know. Okay, my Clay and TV Guides and my Bruce collectible Rolling Stone and my Elvis collectible Life or whatever. Whatever. Alright. Continual loss. Garbage.